Just as with its primary camera, Samsung is anticipated to include pixel binning by default. This should help preserve and maybe even improve the signal-to-noise ratio. As it is, Samsung's flagship smartphones are currently somewhat expensive, but if the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which is expected for at least the 2025 models, is included, the price point may be much higher. Certain people have speculated that the Snapdragon 8 Gen may 4 cost more than its Gen 3 predecessor. Qualcomm is the company that makes the Snapdragon chipsets. Based on credible leaks, ICE Universe estimates that the new chipset will cost around $240, which is about $40 more than the Gen 3 and represents a 20.68% increase. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series, the Galaxy Fold 7, the Galaxy Flip 7, and several other Android devices from brands like OnePlus, Sony, and Xiaomi may become more expensive for consumers as a result of this price increase. Nevertheless, it's vital to proceed cautiously with this information as it hasn't been formally confirmed yet. Even while this news is alarming, there could be some reasons that might keep prices down. Numerous factors also affect smartphone pricing. Samsung might potentially get higher chipset agreements because of its large sales volume. Additionally, manufacturers may investigate other chipset options if the price grows too high. Additionally, there have been talks of potentially using MediaTek. Samsung now employs its own Exynos CPUs in some models, especially in specific areas for the Galaxy S series. In general, Samsung looks to be on track to make major progress this year as it prepares for the S25 Ultra and addresses minor problems with the current S24 Ultra. A few months remain before the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is officially released, but in the meanwhile, interesting reports about the company's next flagship smartphone range have continued. Preliminary indications indicate that the Ultra model, which is expected to be a big highlight for the company, would be thinner than the next iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's thickness will be merely 8.2 mm, a significant decrease from the Galaxy S24 Ultra's thickness of 8.6 mm, according to a well-known leak source ICE Universe, which revealed some information about the device's specs in a post on X over the weekend. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.